guys, it's your girl Des back with another video. Or I know y'all probably wondering like, what is she doing this time? But no, I'm doing makeup, a makeup tutorial. I'm probably like, girl, you don't even wear makeup. What you about to do? I don't wear makeup and I don't know nothing about makeup. So I bought a couple little things. So we about to see how this turn out. Don't judge me because I really do not wear makeup at all. But I don't even know where to begin. But I think I'm gonna begin with this stuff, whatever this is. I think it's like a foundation type of thing. So let's see. Do y'all yeah, y'all see it? Because I can't. I do not know what I'm doing, man. Let me see. Maybe I need a little bit on my brush. Maybe I need to use the right brush. Oh, I think I see a little bit. Don't mind my edges, y'all, because I know I got that natural. Let me sweat it out a little bit. I think I see this stuff. Just, oh. I got too much on this. Oh my god, I'm about to be looking like a clown. Let's see. Do the forehead a little bit. How did I get so much on this cheek? Alright, I think that might be enough of this crap. Let's try to get to the eyebrows. I don't even think I purchased the right stuff for the eyebrows. Let's see. For real, y'all. Don't judge me because I'm trying. My eyebrows about to be they about to be fried. And I'll be the first to talk about somebody's eyebrows. And now look how my shit about to turn out. Alright, so I outlined them, okay? Let's see. let's see. Alright, got them outlined. Then you just supposed to fill them in, right? I think I made that line too dark. How these eyebrows looking? Yo, girl, about to be red carpet fly. Look, I didn't put my spit on my eyebrow. I would never get paid to do nobody else's, huh? I need to fix this area over here. These little eyebrows is a little bit harder than I expected. But don't you, oh, this left one gonna be a little harder. But don't you supposed to use the little, let me see, what is this stuff called? The little foundation, oh shoot, I put that in the wrong thing. Don't you supposed to use the little foundation stuff to fill them, you know, make them look natural, or whatever it's called. I can't get this left motion. For real, I told y'all this is my first time, so do not judge me. Don't judge me for real, I'm trying. I'm really trying, like, I watched this girl. I think her name was like, she don't use this channel, I think her name like Princess Annabella, or whatever. But she did real good, and she made it look so simple, so I'm like, okay, I got this. Let's see. Maybe I need to use my little foundation stuff to fill it in a little bit. They come together. How look at me. I want this one to be like how y'all be doing these left motions? Cause they ain't working for me. Some people be putting their eyebrows like right here. Now who eyebrows you done seen looking like that? You might as well have put a damn unibrow on there. Or so I'm gonna put, maybe I should put a little bit more of this this stuff, you know. Freshen up, yeah. You looking cute, bro. Freshen up. Here's how y'all girls be. When y'all go to the bathroom, like, girl, let me fix up a little bit before I go right back out there. You looking a hot mess. Makeup sweating off and stuff. Alright, so we did that. So now we should do the lashes. So I got on some lash extensions, but it's time for a feel. But I ain't gonna put no mascara on those. I'm gonna put the mascara on the bottom lashes, and it's the kind of mascara I'm using. If you could see, yeah, it's a little old. Told y'all I don't use makeup oil like that. So I did see this one tutorial though. They said if you put eyeliner up under here on the top lash, like underneath on the top lash, it make your lashes pop even more. So since you can't wear mascara on the lash extensions, if you put the eyeliner underneath there, it make your lashes pop. I tried it, by the way. And your girl was looking. What? 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 Let me stop. I was looking fly though, for real. Friends be doing makeup, like doing their own makeup, and then like they want to start their YouTube channel doing makeup, but I don't see how, because this stuff is hard. Put on some of this blush so I could be popping. You know your girl like to pop. I never really have to wear blush though, because my cheeks are like real red sometimes. Usually when I'm hot or when I be cracking up, because y'all know I like to laugh.
too hot on that one side. Okay, so with this one, I think I'm going to put on two. This is, I believe this is one of them Rihanna lipsticks. I don't know. It's from MAC. Yeah, I don't know. This. Your girl don't wear too much lipstick. Okay. Come together a little bit. Alright. So we're going to do a little finishing touch. Touch it up a little bit. And how your girl looking? How you? Let me get you all a little close up. I told you do not mind the edges. How your girl looking? Check out the brows. The brows.
All right, peace out, y'all. Leave comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
Why did you touch the brow?